Hey, it's Rah from MRE. Welcome to another one of our real tips videos. In this video, we'll cover an essential maintenance task to ensure you keep your air conditioning unit running smoothly and efficiently. Cleaning your aircon filter often ensures good air quality throughout the home. It is also very important to look after the air conditioning unit as well. To begin, use a step ladder to carefully reach your unit without having to lean too far. Lift up the front panel or pull down the cover depending on your model. The filters are located in the front and are just clipped in place. Gently slide them out of the clips and off the unit. Either vacuum or brush inside the unit with a soft brush to get rid of the dust. Don't forget the grill on the top. Take the filter outside or over to a sink and dust with the brush. Then wipe it down with a damp rag to get any last dust off. Slide it back in place and secure it behind the clips. Close the cover gently. You can check the manual or look online on how to remove the aircon filter by using the make and model number. This can be found on a sticker on the air conditioning unit. Hopefully this video has helped you maintain your air conditioning unit to help you keep your home cool. If you still have any issues, please log it with your property manager through the maintenance section on our website. Thank you so much for watching.